In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a job application form in Paperform. We'll be building this from a fresh blank workspace element and turning it into a clean, professional application form that's ready to share. The goal is to create a simple project structure, add clear informational sections about the role, include the fields needed to collect applicant details, and then publish the form so applications can start coming in. To begin, open Paperform and create a new blank form. Starting from scratch gives you full control over the layout and helps keep the form organized from the very beginning. Once the blank form is open, set up the overall structure of the page so it feels easy to read and easy to complete. Think of the layout as the applicant's first experience with the role. A clean structure makes the form look more professional and helps people move through it without confusion. Next, add the text overview sections. This is where you'll write out the important details about the position. Include blocks of text that explain the operational role, the main responsibilities, and the criteria applicants should meet. Keep this content direct and readable. It should give applicants enough context to understand what the job involves and whether they're a good fit before they begin filling anything out. If needed, separate the content into clearly defined sections so responsibilities and criteria don't blend together. That makes the form easier to scan, especially for people reviewing it quickly. After the overview content is in place, insert the form fields for collecting applicant information. Add the operational text data fields you need for details such as the applicant's name, contact information, and any other essential background information required for the role. Make sure the fields are clearly labeled so there's no uncertainty about what should be entered. Good labels reduce mistakes and help you receive cleaner submissions. Then add a file upload field specifically for resumes. This is a key part of the application process, so place it in a logical spot, usually after the applicant details. Make sure the purpose of the upload field is obvious so applicants know exactly what document to attach. A clear instruction here can help avoid incomplete submissions. Once everything is in place, review the form from top to bottom to make sure the layout flows naturally and the content is easy to understand. When you're happy with how it looks, publish the form and copy the link. At that point, your application form is live and ready to start collecting responses.